time for another DIY challenge, Chick-Fil-A style. Again. Hello everybody and welcome to a Big C TV taste test adventure. My name is Chris and this is a special one because this is a DIY taste test adventure. Now a little backstory on this. I did this video before, a couple years ago actually, and YouTube deleted it because I used copyrighted music and I wanted to remove it and change it to something that wasn't copyrighted, but they didn't give me an opportunity to. So because of that, rather than just letting that video die, I'm bringing it back. But not only am I bringing it back, by redoing it completely, I'm gonna make it even crazier. That's right. So, you might recall back in the day, there used to be an item at KFC called the Double Down, which was basically a sandwich made with 2 pieces of chicken, bacon, cheese, and a sauce. There's no bread though, the bread was the chicken. Well, back in the day, as in 2 years ago, I made my own version at Chick-Fil-A, but it was a triple Double Down. And it was delicious and pretty cool to see how I made it. We can do it again, but this time we're adding some extra ingredients to it to make it even crazier. So this is the Triple Double Down 2.0 DIY style. So let's go to Chick-fil-A. Let's see how this beast is made. All right, so here is the damage. So this is all the ingredients I'm going to use to make this sandwich. All of it in total cost about 20 bucks. I also got a drink with it too. So this is going to be a crazy sandwich. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, the Double Down sandwich is basically just 2 pieces of chicken with bacon and cheese in the middle, and then a sauce. And so the chicken is the bread. So with this one, because it's the Triple Double Down, we're gonna have 3 different kinds of chicken breasts, not just 2 chicken breasts, 3 different kinds of chicken breasts. So it is kind of interesting. You can order Chick-fil-A just fillets by themselves, and that certainly helps with the assembly process for this sandwich. Since this is the second time I'm doing this video, I wanted to make sure it was extra, it was worth doing. I also added a couple extra condiments / things to the sandwich. I'm gonna add some potato waffle fries, I'm gonna add some chicken nuggets, and more sauce. Got the 3 of my 3 favorite sauces at Chick-fil-A, which of course are the classic barbecue, which there is barbecue already on the sandwich because it's on the barbecue smokehouse sandwich. I also got the garlic and herb ranch, and of course the goat, the winner of our fast food throwdown for best sandwich at a fast food chicken place, Chick-fil-A sauce. Now time to assemble this thing, and let's see how it turns out. First step that I'm gonna take is I gotta decide which of the 2 fillets I want on the bottom and which one I want on the top. So my thought process is, I've got cheese on both of them. The regular chicken fillet, I'm gonna flip upside down so the cheese is facing downward. So I'm gonna put the spicy chicken fillet on the bottom, and I'm gonna take the grilled chicken fillet and sandwich that in the middle. Since I'm gonna be doing that, I figure it's best to add my sauces while I'm assembling the sandwich, as well as add any extra condiments that I might want to add. The bottom level, because it's spicy, I figured let's cool it down. Let's add some ranch to the bottom level of chicken. Now, important thing to note, you don't want to put too much sauce because this is already gonna be a messy sandwich, so you wanna make sure you don't overdo it with the sauce. So I'm gonna put just a little pool of ranch. Potato. We're gonna add a couple waffle fries. And the reason why I put the waffle fries on this level is because I feel the bottom needs a little extra stability. So we got ranch, we got waffle fries. Now comes the grilled chicken, which has Colby Jack cheese, barbecue sauce, and bacon on it. So I'm gonna pick that up, put that on top. So this is our current assembly. It's got 2 levels, it's got fries, it's got ranch. Now I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce. Just a little though, not too much, because it's already got barbecue sauce on it, and because I have a 3rd sauce to add, so this is gonna be very saucy, as it were. So I'm gonna add just a tad more barbecue sauce. Okay. Barbecue sauce has been added. let's add some nuggets for extra texture. What I discovered when I did the Emperor King burger, actually the same year I did this one, structural integrity on these giant stacked sandwiches is very important. So you want to pick flat pieces. So with the nuggets, I'm trying to pick ones that are kind of on the flat side. So like this one's pretty good. So I'm adding 3 nuggets on top. So there we go. And now we're gonna add the last level, which is gonna be Chick-Fil-A sauce, and then the last piece of chicken. So it's already got barbecue sauce, it's already got ranch. Let's add just a tad, a little bit of Chick-Fil-A sauce at the top level. I'm just gonna put it on the nuggets. I don't wanna put too much though, because this is already gonna be a hot mess of a sandwich. And lastly, but certainly not least, the final chicken breast upside down. And now I have my complete sandwich. I'm gonna give you a close-up view of it so you can see how it looks. Behold, this is the Chick-fil-A Double Down 2.0. It's got 3 different kinds of sauces. It's got nuggets, it's got fries, bacon, 3 kinds of cheese. It's ridiculous. Now I'm gonna try to eat it. Okay, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the triple double down Chick-fil-A style. Much bigger and much saucier than the one I did before. I'm just gonna attempt to dive in and see how this works. I have sauce leaking everywhere. All right, let's go for it. Bottoms up. So that level I got ranch, got some of the grilled chicken, a little bit of fry. It was good. Spicy though. The spice level definitely kicks it up. I'm gonna try to get some of the top level. The sandwich is not very structurally sound, as you can see. I've got breading falling off left and right, and then I've got sauce leaking all over my hands in different places. It's an interesting experience, I will say. The biggest thing I like about this is it kind of gives you the ultimate taste of Chick-fil-A. You've got 3 major kinds of sauce. You've got all 3 different kinds of chicken breast. You got some nuggets. You got some waffle fries. This is kind of Chick-fil-A rolled into one sandwich. So it's a very interesting food experience. I've also never combined the sauces, so they're kind of interesting. I'm gonna take one more bite. Well, there you go. Got sauce all over my hand. This is definitely an experience, that is for sure. I'm not sure it's one I would want to recreate again. Again, I've already done this twice now, but I'm glad I did it, and I'm glad I got to show you again how to make it. So if you want to do your own KFC Double Down, now you kind of have an idea. And you don't have to add all the sauces and all the fries and stuff to mine that I did to mine. Oh, it's falling apart very well now. But it certainly does give it more of an interesting, unique flavor experience by adding all those extra steps. So there you go. That is it for this DIY taste test adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. Look for plenty more videos throughout the rest of the year, and maybe even some more crazy DIY videos. We'll see how it turns out. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.